Reuters, U.S. stocks rose on Monday as oil prices hit $70 per barrel for the first time since November 2014, while those in technology companies rose, led by second day of gains for Apple. The S&P Energy Index was the biggest gainer among the 11 major S&P sectors, rising 2%, as U.S. crude was boosted by Venezuela-Euro trademark's deepening economic crisis and a looming decision on whether the United States will reimpose sanctions on Iran. O/R. Apple was up 1.2%, continuing to ride on news that Berkshire Hathaway, a Euro trademark's Warren Buffett had boosted stake in the company. Shares of Athena Health jumped 25.2% after hedge fund Elliott Management proposed an all-cash offer that would value the healthcare IT company at about $6.5 billion. At 9:50 a.m. EDT, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 167.53 points, or 0.69%, at 24,430.04. The S&P 500 was up 15.01 points, or 0.56%, at 2,678.43, and the Nasdaq Composite was up 52.66 points, or 0.73%, at 7,262.28. Major U.S. stock indexes ended up more than 1% on Friday after weaker than expected U.S. wage growth numbers calmed investor fears about rising interest rates and inflation. U.S. corporates have performed strongly in the first quarter, with nearly 80% of the 400 S&P 500 companies that have reported so far topping profit estimates, according to Thomson Reuters I/B/E/S. That is well above the long-term average of 64% and the average of 75% over the past 4 quarters. Starbucks rose 0.3% after Swiss food giant Nestlé said it would pay the World a Euro trademark's biggest coffee chain $7.15 billion for the rights to sell its products around the world. Tyson Foods Inc. fell 0.6% after the meat processor missed Wall Street estimates for quarterly profit as it was hit by higher freight costs and wages. Advancing issues outnumbered decliners for a 1.88-to-1 ratio on the NYSE. Advancing issues outnumbered decliners by a 1.64-to-1 ratio on the Nasdaq. The S&P index recorded 18 new 52-week highs and 1 new lows, while the Nasdaq recorded 61 new highs and 6 new lows.